Are you ready for this? Looky what we got. So today we have some sister nail mail from Isms by Josie. My gorgeous, beautiful sister is so super sweet. I can't even tell you how excited I was to receive this awesome surprise. As I think a lot of you know by now, Josie is an ambassador for Varnail. Yeah, super exciting. And, I don't have much in the way of Varnail, except for a few things that Josie has sent me over the last few years. But I was super excited to get this. Oh my gosh, can't wait to show you what is in this box. My jaws just literally hit the floor when I saw what she sent me. So, of course, we have some stickers, and I like stickers. I don't use them a lot, but that's because I don't really have that many. But Josie is like slowly filling up my stock for stickers, and yeah, it's super exciting. And here we have Varnail's introduction booklet. Just basically giving you a rundown of their products, how to use them, all of the little intricate niceties and instructions. I like this, that it gives you the basic guide on how to do different cat eye designs. That's fun. I like that. Because not many companies give you that kind of rundown detail on how to do cat eyes. But anyway, here's all the little things on the insert. So that was really nice to get, because we all do need those reminders on safety and how to use precautions, blah, blah, blah. And look at these. These hearts are so adorable. They're little, and they're so, oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then for the piece de resistance, we have the complete set of Varnail Reflective gel polishes. You heard me right, the whole set. She sent me the whole set, y'all. I was like, whoa, my jaw literally hit the floor when I saw this. Josie, you absolutely rock. And y'all just wait till you see these. These are so delicious. Had my mouth watering while I was swatching them, literally. And while I am struggling to get these out of the packages, yes, these boxes are so secure, you are not going to have any problems with damage, because these boxes, yeah, they're solid. But anyway, while I'm opening these boxes, I am going to give a shout out to all of my beautiful nail brothers and sisters, and all of my fantastic subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what's the hold up, y'all? Hit that subscribe, hit that like button. I so appreciate it, and it helps me out so much. And I love each and every one of you, and especially, you take the time to make these videos. You hope that people are actually going to watch and enjoy them. So I do hope you love this. As well as my other videos. Most of my videos are not haul videos. I do mostly design videos. I do a few unboxings here and there, but that's not my main gist of my channel. So the design portion is more of the point of my channel. So, but I do some unboxings here and there. But for me, the design and the art itself is where it's at for me. So here you go. I have my swatch sticks ready. I actually labeled them because there's so many. I don't want to get anything confused. Now, I did have to go back later. I couldn't get the little tabs off to put the polish inside the tab on the top, but I do go back later off camera and do that. They are on there tight, y'all. The tight, like, you're not gonna lose those tabs on the lids. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch as I swatch all of these gorgeous reflective colors, and y'all, my mouth is watering just watching it. So I hope you enjoy as much as I did, and these are going to be so much fun to work with. I can't even wait. And y'all, let me tell you, these auroras, oh my gosh, the camera does not do them justice. These are so stinking pretty. I just can't even get over it. It was like, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at the aura. It is absolutely amazing. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and jump off here and let you watch these gorgeous colors come to life. Thank you so much, Josie. And thank you for creating these gorgeous, gorgeous colors, Varnail. Each and every one of them is absolutely stunning. So make sure you wait and watch for the end, and I will show you what they look like, both with flash and without. Because, you know, the reflectives, the flash, oh my gosh, it's just stunning when you turn a flash on. Okay, so I'm going to shut up now, and I hope you enjoy. And as always, I'm sending you love, hugs, and blessings.